Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Rohit Madhukar Nikam. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Chemistry at Mahanta Jamnadas Maharaj Arts, Commerce, Science College, Karanjai Taluka Pet, District Nasik. Today we are going to learn a basic tool of chemistry. Let us see. Chemistry, it is defined as study of matter, its composition and analysis. Next slide. There are different branches of chemistry: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, industrial chemistry, agrarian chemistry, drug chemistry. Physical chemistry, it deals with the study of laws, fundamental concepts like thermodynamics, equations, expressions like N is equal to V is equal to nRT. Organic chemistry, it deals with the study of chemistry of carbon compounds. Inorganic chemistry, it deals with the study of other than carbon compounds, like all given in periodic table. Analytical chemistry, it deals with the study of analysis of the organic compound, or against analysis of any compound with respect to qualitative and quantitative approach. Industrial chemistry, it deals with the study of quality control parameters controlled in industry. Agrarian chemistry, it is basically how to use, what are the applications of fertilizers, what is the pH of the soil, it is connected to soil and milk products. Drug chemistry, it deals with the study of basic pharmacology associated with any drug, or you can say medicine. Next slide is connected with analytical chemistry. It deals with the study of analysis of the compound, as we see. There are different branches of sub-branches of analytical chemistry. Qualitative chemistry, or also the qualitative approach of analytical chemistry, in that what is the element is present in the particular sample that can be studied under qualitative analysis. Quantitative analysis, how much the amount is present in the particular sample, that can be studied in quantitative approach. Instrumental, there are different instruments are designed to analyze the compound. For example, HPLC. In HPLC, partition coefficient, the principle of partition coefficient is used. Again, the next one, the traditional of branches of analytical chemistry is gravimetry. In the gravimetry, mass of the organic compound that can be measured. In volumetry, there are the principle N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2, the equation, basic equation that can be employed, and the titration, the unknown volume of titrant that can be calculated, the concentration of the compound that can be studied volumetrically. Let us take a next basic concept of chemistry, how to prepare a solution. In that, the example is sodium chloride. How to prepare one normal sodium chloride. The standard equation for that, 1000 ml, one normal sodium chloride contains 58.5 gram of sodium chloride. If we prepare 100 ml, then we take a wet 5.85 gram of sodium chloride, but we get a concentration 1 normal sodium chloride. If we take a similar volume 100 ml, but the concentration if that can be minimized, it is a 0.1 normal. Then we take weight of sodium chloride, that is 0.585. So in this regard, this is all about associated with chemistry. It's a sub-branches of analytical chemistry, and the example of how to calculate equivalent weight of sodium chloride. It is 1 normal sodium chloride. With this content, I conclude this lecture. Thank you very much.